All right, here's the elevator at Building B at the U-Haul storage facility in Plano. This is a really nice elevator. Look at that. I just vacated my unit here because I moved everything out to Ridgemar Mall, so I got the last of everything too. It's a D&D elevator. £7,500 capacity. It almost looks like it'd be a Schindler RT. This isn't Building B. And that is it.